Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a refreshing espresso over lemon sorbet that combines bold espresso with icy citrus sweetness for the ultimate coffee granita vibes. This easy cafe-style dessert drink is bright, creamy, smooth, and perfect for warm afternoons or elegant dinner treats. If you love unique coffee recipes with a refreshing twist, grab your espresso and let's create this delicious frozen coffee experience together today. Ingredients: 2 scoops lemon sorbet, 1 shot fresh espresso, 1 teaspoon honey or simple syrup. Lemon zest for garnish, fresh mint leaves, crushed ice. Directions: start by brewing a fresh shot of espresso using your favorite coffee beans. For the best flavor, use a rich espresso with smooth chocolate or caramel notes to balance the bright citrus flavor of the sorbet. Allow the espresso to cool slightly for about 1 minute. Place 2 generous scoops of lemon sorbet into a chilled serving glass or dessert cup. If you want an extra frosty texture, add a small layer of crushed ice beneath the sorbet for a refreshing granita-style effect. Slowly pour the warm espresso directly over the lemon sorbet and watch the flavors swirl together beautifully. The heat from the espresso gently melts the sorbet, creating a creamy, icy coffee dessert with bright citrus flavor and bold espresso richness. Drizzle in honey or simple syrup if you prefer a sweeter finish. Garnish with fresh lemon zest and mint leaves for a beautiful cafe-style presentation. Serve immediately and enjoy this refreshing combination of sweet, tart, and bold coffee goodness. Thank you so much for watching today's espresso over lemon sorbet recipe video. I hope you enjoyed this refreshing coffee granita-inspired treat that combines bold espresso with bright citrus flavor in the most delicious way. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more creative coffee recipes and cafe-style drinks every week. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.